Trapped in a world of blinking screens, open watch your soul. Caught in a web of news and dreams, our faces to control. We let them shape our minds, seven lies on pretend we're free. Can't you see, no more apathy? Rise up, break the chains, it's time we reclaim. We are not just pawns in their game. Stand and shine, don't play it tame. They're feeding us fear, feeding us shame. Let's take back our power, ignite the flame. Shackled by lights and endless scrolls, oh, they own our souls. They're mind vulnerable, paying the toll, our lives being sold. Why do we dance to the hidden tunes of the puppet of art, disconnected glue? Not our doom, eyes off, unite below the surface. Let's break the ring.